You tell me when you're ready. Okay. You want to start recording?
Okay, Sophia. Hi. Can you show us how you get adjusted?
Yeah.
How do you get
Come
adjusted?
on the table. Let's show Mommy how we get adjusted. All right, ready? Oh. Climb on up. Good. All right, ready? Push, ready? Good. Good. And we'll go up the spine.
Good job, Soph.
Ready? Got it.
Good job.
On our back. Squeezer. Oh. Good.
Good job.
Ready? So you count to 3. You count to 3. 1, 2, 3. Yay.
Good job. Yay. One more.
This is it. Last one. And the 1, 2, 3. Awesome. Can we do a high five? High five.
High five, Sophs.
Right here, so high five.
Yay.
I love you.
Good job. Okay, all done.
All done.
Can you say thank you, Dr. Suzy? Thank you. Can you give her high fives? Can you go give her high five?
Yeah, you did it. High five.
High five.